Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and email Roblox, because if you go to roblox.com/support, they usually lead you to forms to fill in. But their email is this one right here. You can go ahead and copy and paste it. But if you are watching this video, you just have to type it in, info@roblox.com. And I'll give you also a sample of an email you can go ahead and write depending on your needs. So I'll put in the email address. Now for subject, I will put urgent help recovering my Roblox account. Make it very clear what exactly it is so they can assign you the correct person. Now, I write the email to your Roblox support. I'm explaining my problem right here. Make sure you have your username. Explain your problem. Okay, you can change this according to your needs. And you want to mention something like mention unusual activity. If your problem is accessing your Roblox account, you don't have access anymore. Explain what you have done to fix this problem and you still did not be able to get access, then just request them and let them know that you are able to provide any verification details so they know you're actually legit in this. And just thank them and sign off in a nice manner, maybe best regards, William Hunter, something like that. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. Good luck.